Are carrot-based smoothies delicious and nutritious? Absolutely. Get ready to revamp your smoothie game with vibrant and nutritious raw carrot-based concoctions that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. So here are 6 carrot-based smoothies you'll absolutely love. 1. Mango Carrot Smoothie. A delightful combination of sweet mango and nutritious carrots creates a refreshing smoothie bursting with flavor. 2. Spicy Carrot Smoothie. A bold and invigorating choice, the spicy carrot smoothie harmonizes the natural sweetness of carrots with a kick of spice. 3. Apple Carrot Smoothie. Indulge in the fusion of crisp apples and vibrant carrots for a refreshing drink with a touch of natural sweetness. 4. Carrot Spinach Smoothie. This nutrient-packed green smoothie combines the goodness of carrots and spinach. 5. Orange Carrot Smoothie. A tangy and vibrant smoothie bursting with orange flavor, this drink combines the refreshing taste of oranges with the nutritional benefits of carrots. 6. Carrot and Kale Smoothie. A nutritional powerhouse, this smoothie combines the goodness of kale and carrots. You've now explored a variety of delicious carrot-based smoothie recipes that are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Whether you're a fan of tropical flavors like mango or prefer the earthy taste of spinach, there's a smoothie here for everyone. So, grab your blender and start experimenting with these vibrant combinations. Don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients to create your unique twist on these recipes. Remember, the key is to have fun while nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Cheers to a healthier you. For more smoothies recipes, visit happydieter.net.